You gotta say, pretty good year for that guy, Kaida Wolf, with his MX2 title and now the third place in the MX of Nations. He's gathering plates and he's having, sounds like a pretty good time at it. And the funny thing is, if you look at Vital or if you listen to Vital, he did a interview with him after saying he's flying to California at the end of this month to get some supercross experience. Which could be super cool. It's funny at the beginning of the interview too. He goes, "I proved I'm the fastest in the world. I wish Deegan was here." And it was kind of one of those little prod things, but also one of those pride things or I don't know overconfidence things that as a racer you have to have. You have to think you are the best ever. You have to think you are better than everybody else, and you want to prove it. And that's kind of what that call out is. It's saying, "Hey, I'm here. You're not. I'm proving what I can do." And obviously, we'll see what next year. I mean, obviously, this is a country thing, so that's never going to change. You're never going to have them on the same team, so they can go out this for the next 10 years. In MX2 class all the way up to mxgp class if they keep going, and it's kind of neat to see. I mean, I love racers with personality. I don't want the cardboard cutout people. I want the cocky guys that'll do this kind of thing, call people out, say they're the best. I like that. And if he's thinking about coming over here, getting supercross experience, like you said, I'm definitely not racing A1, and it might not be for a couple years, but at least it's the thought. And if you've got, some of the fastest young talent from MXGP thinking about coming over here, following Prado and Vial and whoever else is gonna move the Cohens, um, it's kind of exciting when you think about it. We could get a whole crop of people you haven't seen before racing against the people you are fans of and see where the chips fall. But obviously, it's not going to happen this year. It's not going to happen next year. But I think it's exciting. It's kind of funny. You get the little chirp chirp back and forth. And what a year for him. You get titles. You start getting a lot of wins. You start feeling really good and confident about yourself. And everything becomes that little bit easier. And I don't know. You guys tell me. Comments down below. Would you like to see Kaido Wolf over here? Did you watch the MX of Nations? Did you like it? Um, if you're outside of the US, where did your country finish if you were looking at it? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.